Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash? Why you want to...
I'm not going to hit you up with.
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. I don't swear to God that she an angel, but it's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
But you know, I want to kiss from you. But remember to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So,
Subscribe. Go over to my channel at Krista's Life.
you have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there. For the
I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos. But it doesn't matter. I loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're gonna do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-work.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This was how that for your neck!
But it's out.
Whoa!
No, for my neck.
No, sir. Look how me think. This is a cute girl. Alright. Me cannot money. Something bite up on your neck, mama. You need a mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito that narval. So, I use a smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
Nah, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture I got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha. I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well, that's
I'ma have to pass, man. Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl name.
Oh man.
One that you like Rasta girl, remember her name?
Oh, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash or pass Tori. My God, for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
No, not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. What a chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on! Yes! Smash! Smash or pass, we are playing. Say, would you smash or pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my ear, she smashed me. Whoa!
It was a pass, smash, mommy, man. Pass again.
Anyway.
So, alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
you
me.
lie me. You don't ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, where you say twin? Hold on, come on, pass her. Where you say? This smash or pass not done yet. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Would you?
I mean, you forgot your toe.
Would you? Alright, your turn.
Would you smash or pass? Shan.
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you?
Come on, tell the brown man.
Would you smash?
They cage him.
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass? Richard Brown.
Richie and my boss. Me not gonna touch the boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay.
Go let the brown man.
Oh, yeah, I got video, me let him out.
No, your brown man. You have pass. You see man, holla, help. You go let him out.
Oh, yeah, I forgot video, man.
That's right, camera.
Come, hold this.
Where's the crystal?
Hmm?
Where's your pass? Every
So-
woman, that's all.
Every
You-
woman.
No man said to smash your pass. You see your pass. Every woman now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
That's what I'm saying.
Me never say me nah smash none, it's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this, so me in a focus.
Yeah,
Come.
me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. May I go take one little piece and move
Yeah, they're not focus
Don't
it.
stop, eh?
Oh,
You're not focus now?
yeah.
Alright, good. Krista shall learn to use the camera.
Somewhere.
You zoom in. So, come back up.
Yeah, pass it.
Pass on yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I know how you come up, so you don't want to run back this and come up.
So, you want to go up or down?
I want
Yes, Richie.
to try to say, man.
Alright.
So you can climb. Let's up, right?
So guys, we are doing a scene.
Yeah, sir?
Mr. Chef.
Ready?
No, go front of me, say, like me better.
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
Back again.
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing for you.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
I say, we fuck two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. Put the camera on him now.
No, that one, that
No, that can't go up on internet, you mad.
Attention now.
Alright.
not see that side of me.
Where?
Hey,
I'm saying I go.
Bieber saying, oh, 2 person already.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
So now she said,
Yeah, so.
she
who
said,
there now?
I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the
You
list.
must people might
Thank you.
say that two person.
That me know. But when me tell them no clear, please, me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
You're the artist.
You done?
No, almost. Watch it all time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you're the dancer now.
So come in.
Which one I dog give me that?
So listen me, lady. Yeah, it's behind the scenes. When that the man there chat to put the camera on.
Come, don't make no noise, boy, man.
Me not see
And I'm
him.
gonna vex up my face. We still come back with the smash and pass.
Action,
Ready?
action, yeah.
I said Krista Chama, more I got.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this no record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Megapixel? Answer no?
My guys are liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So like you're smash.
Me never asked her that. Me never asked
Me
her
not
that.
going to smash Mega because me no want Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call her name
I'm
already.
already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me. Come and be your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say Mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't move for smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm for pass.
Get out of
It's
focus.
alright. It's not focus, I know.
Yeah.
It's not focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get how you toss out for a long time. Get how you toss
You talk us to this?
Hold on.
Oh, this was bet Rasta.
Where's the pass? You know, say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me
on
see.
this man
You
today.
see,
Me see it long time, man. Me I say, what kind of mosquito bite him up, so?
Which man?
Me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
You
me.
ask me say which man? Which man?
Nobody don't bite
Which
me
this
neck.
part? You say baby so cover it up. I get turned up and gone home. Maybe I curious when right after you go last night after it rain.
Oh, this man in this come
This morning, early morning wake up.
No, since before I come out here. I have sex or no.
Think you one before you come out and say, yo.
Because I'm there for
Body see it. The body see it. Means you see it, you just get something, but I look fine, don't you?
I have sex for sure.
You just have it next.
So just
I
line
have
up
it
for
first
next.
do it. No, I'm there with him.
Bah!
That's right.
I have a black out that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Jutaram. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Orlando?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No, can't pass everybody.
I do a pass everybody.
No, just because I don't reach down to nobody when we would smash. Yeah? Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Rated. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
Yo, that smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Chris Tasha?
Chris Tasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash. Smash.
And that your weird fun.
Smash. Smash.
Oh, you want surgery? Would you smash or pass?
Hold on, no, we can't laugh, so.
Fire.
Oh.
Hey, no worries.
Yo.
Bud,
Yo, hey.
body done. Hey. Tell her the intention, no girl. Fire! My bun in the whole place.
Yo, what going? If video done, Chris Tasha does why out the video.
White helmet. Move on there.
Hey, big up on yourself and people. This is really and truly Chris Tasha's version of smash and pass. But it's kind of unfair because, alright, but I whole all this everybody, I want somebody who really smashed. How you go? How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Chris Tasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you don't want one more. Smash or pass, mukbang, whatever. We'll get it.
Alright, don't hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the
I'll
video.
go on my
Thanks.
channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
You tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Chris Tasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Krista's live.
Krista's live.
Yeah.
Krista's live.
Like,
Live. Oh.
Chris Tasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and I had 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good month.
Big up yourself. So go and support the movement, people. Look more. We chat to you again. We got tired.